วันนี้เราจะให้ดู1 วันเราต้องทำอะไรบ้าง so I'm just gonna show you like how many animals that we owned. Let's go see. It's kinda on the rainy season. มันเป็นช่วงฝนตกเราก็จะมีทอง This is buffalo. Albino buffalo. You have that cow. You have the other one. All these are girl. Only me tong is boy. And here, Thai chicken. It's kind of dark out here, but yeah, it's orange color, and she lay egg once a day, I think. And then we'll see the other chicken. Here we have turkey and Brahma chicken. He will come. He over here. I don't know. You see him? So dark here. We'll go see inside. Right now it's temporary cage. We'll see inside. This is our Brahma. These are the male turkey. Those are female. This one I'm not sure. They said it's a girl. And these are hen. Only boy in here. We only keep boy and that's it. แล้วเราก็จะมี baby chicken. Some are boy, some are girl. Boy, we gonna eat them, and the girl we gonna let them as a hen to make another babies. เราจะไปดูแม่พันธุ์มินิพิกนี่กันนะคะ These are so like cracking now because it's an old one. So we try to find a land and then we will move them out. But let's go see these. They are so fat. One more. Hello, Brownie. This is Brownie. This is Snow White. She is Supanikar. So cute. Hello, Brownie. Oh, Snow White. She had one boy. Brownie doesn't grown up yet. So they normally do the head outside like this. Brownie! 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 Yeah, Brownie not come out. But look at how cute she is. Snow White! We call her Konsui because she's pretty. All white. เราก็จะมีหมู we have pig. We want to sell, which is it's already 1 year old, and we want to sell them out. These are them. Hello. Hello. So these are construction that's gonna crack down. This side is still good, but it's gonna crack down soon. So this side is already cracked down. It used to be likeเคยเป็นฟาร์ม very big farm in มุกดาหาร but now we stop producing. Everything is shut down. No one continue doing anything. So we here doing our own. We just put our animals in here just to waiting for we get the land. So these are also our pig. แล้วก็ตรงนี้ก็จะเป็นหมูป่าน่าจะพันธุ์แท้นะคะแล้วก็มีอยู่3ตัวมีตัวผู้คนนี้เขาจะชอบโดนเกาตัวผู้ตัวนี้ส่วนตัวอื่นเขากลัวก็จะเป็นอย่างนี้นะเขาจะชอบมาก He like to get scratch. He like to get pet, but other don't really like it because these are 2 girl, 1 boy, but they cannot mate because it's the same mom. You really love it, and my boyfriend love him so much. You'll find his girl. We're gonna go see our other animals, like other cage. เดี๋ยวเราไปดูสัตว์ที่เรามีตัวอื่นกันบ้างตอนนี้เราก็จะมีกระต่าย So this is our rabbit that I got for free. I've been wanted meat bunnies. I mean meat rabbits, whatever you call. And I got it for free from someone that we know, and it's just like, alright, we give you for free. So here they are. Here is a boy, lovely boy, and this is a girl. Right now it's temporary. I want my dad to build the nicer cage for them so they can get a good place to stay. These are the small chicken that we have. This is Thai breed called Betong chicken. This one is Brahma. This one is olive egger. I think Irish egger, that blue egg. Yes, so right now we breed them, but I think it's a boy for this guy and also this guy too. Most of the chicken that we have is really like a boy. Maybe it's because temperature, the incubator got on, but yeah. Oh, you look at them. This is her Snow White son. This is Somsak, he's smart. This is Snowman, a Pocky, he's a sheep, and this boy is Coffee. They are mini pygmy, and we will let them out when it's like sunny out like this, but this is when there is time, so we don't let them out because Somsak get crazy when he found the dog. He loved dog. ตรงนี้เราก็มีปุ้มปิ้ม She kinda scared of human because we got her like pretty big, but right now she's getting better. ไม่ค่อยกลัวคนเท่าไหร่แต่ว่าตอนนี้นาง so alert. Hello ปุ้มปิ้มปุ้มปิ้มมีไก่เบตงแล้วก็มีนกยูงอยู่ตรงนี้นะคะตัวนี้ได้มาใหม่ที่จริงได้มา2ตัวแต่ว่าอีกตัวหนึ่งน่าจะคิดถึงคนเลี้ยงเก่าเขาตรอมใจนะคะ She's like we have 2 of them that what time we bought them, but one is died because obviously I think we think he's sad because he missed his owner because he loved her, because they show me like a turkey. That one is turkey. He can't go in there, the big cage that all the turkey in there, because he got pegged. He never get raised in that cage, so he got pegged in his head. And little boy, brown boy, the new one, and a little guy over here. But these chicken love human. They don't really have feather right now. I don't know why, but one getting back. These are not yet. But my mom thinks they are a boy, but that's good for like breeding and then eat. Hello. He come back. He's here. Oh, big boy. อย่างสุดท้ายที่เราจะโชว์นะคะ ที่เรามีตอนนี้ก็จะเป็นเป็ดอี้เหลียง The last thing that we have is duck grown up ก็จะอยู่ในซุ้มที่เราซื้อมาให้ใหม่ Have little pond we have 9 right now but I'm not sure ว่าตัวไหนเป็นตัวผู้ but we'll see วันนี้ก็จบไปแล้วนะคะเป็นการแนะนำฟาร์มที่ค่อนข้างจะไกลจากกันนิดหน่อย